Price kay French fries dumpster. Next, magila-ila ta ha. Isulti ang pangalan, you have to state your name, age, or edad. Dayon follow me Kuya Clown Ayer. Hasunda si Kuya Clown Ayer. Kandi nakabuhi, kandi nakabuhi. Go! Isulti ang pangalan, edad, dayon, kandi nakabuhi. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome player number 1. Tapos sa player number 1. Gusto ko katawag si Mami. Pangalan?
Zainin Emma Madelia. I'm 6 years old. Ne.
Kung nakas ma'am, ne. Chargan, kanding nakabuhi, go. Can I give up? Thank you so much. Player number 2. Player number 2. Pangalan kuya, edad, dayon, kanding nakabuhi. Pagpaki ang player number 2.
Yung pangalan 12 years old. Nakabuhi.
And this point is brought to you by Nanueva Supermarket. Nanueva ka ba sa atong kinakaban? Wala sa pamilya. Char sa pido sa Nanueva. Once again, player number 3. Darang anak ni Coco Martin. Pangalan? Kuya Yuzon? Si mama niya. Kuya Yuzon? Yuzon, ma'am? Yuzon, at pinaedad ni Kuya Yuzon? 7. So, bago na siya nag-teacher. And, okay, may kanding nakabuhi. Go!
May kanding nakabuhi.
Thank you, sir. Player number 3. Let's move on to player number 4. From Little Miss Cebu 2024. Pangalan ate, your name. Alexa? Okay, edad ni ate Alexa, your age. 8 years old and may kanding nakabuhi. Go! Nabughat na kanding. Next player number 1, 2, 3, 4. Player number 5. Una player number 5, ang Little Miss Dulho Fatima. Pangalan. Wow, full name kayo complete name Samantha Nicole. And how old are you, ate Samantha Nicole? You are 9 years old and may kanding nakabuhi. Go! Exoon sa kanding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lord, gabi ko yan mo ko. Brad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Player number 7, our birthday boy, Kuya Nathaniel. Pakpak, a round of applause. And, Kuya, your age lang, Kuya.
11.
And, may kanding nakabuhi. Go.
May kanding nakabuhi.
Kaliwa o kanding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Player number 8, ang bunakid ang batang nila. Pangalan, Charlie, pangalan, Kuya. Kuya Joy? Kuya Julian. Sorry, Kuya Julian. Pasensya. And age, Kuya?
10.
10 years old and go. Kanding nakabuhi. Go.
May kanding nakabuhi.
Explore sa kanding. Next player number 11. Pangalan? Kuya Moises. Pero siya pang religious kayang nina. And edad ni Kuya Moises. 10 and go. Kanding nakabuhi. Go. Kanding buhi na ba tayo kanding? Matang buhi ang kanding. And last but not the least player. Wapa kasi Miss Gana. Miss Grand Gana, Char. Little Miss Grand. Name mo ate? Brianna Zoe. Okay, and how old are you, ate Brianna? And go. Follow me. Kanding nakabuhi. Go. And of course, let's give them one more time a big round of applause. And our best performer goes to makadawat o sa kasako nga bato, idukduk sa kumuo, Charlan. Please have a welcome player number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Player number 9. Let's give a round of applause. Mami Gina, bring your prize after the game, kuya ha. Okay, what tayong premyo after sa game? Ready?
Ang kanding na buhay.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, and heads up. There we go, heads up. Okay, touch your head. And your shoulder, your stomach, and shake your hips. Shake, and shout happy birthday! And of course, our first game is what we call it, a happy, a halabira game. Kumusulti si Kuya Clown Ayer. When Kuya Clown Ayer says happy, no hala, raise your hands, both hands, go, hala. Shake your hands, and idawal ang dila. Okay, show me your tongue, very good. Hala. Hala. Everybody, hala. Hala, brother. Hala. Hey, hala, everyone. Hey, birthday boy, hala. Kuya, hala. Kuya. And lastly, okay, ready. Okay, hala is, what is hala? Everybody, hala. Okay, bira. Okay, one more time, bira. Okay, okay, make it. Ready, one, bira. Bira. Pag-ulit, boss. Ready, 1, 2, and what is hala? Usang hala? Usang bira. Everybody, one more time, hala. Okay, give me your best. Okay, give me your best squad. Ha? Kaya I will be choosing the best performer award. Katong mayo kay mo. Shake, 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 and madawal ang bira. Ready, 1, 2, and last sample round. Hala. Bira. Hala. Bira. Okay, players, are you ready? No. Yes. Ready, 1, 2, and this recording is brought to you by Zonrock Stitch. Barato na iutang pa. Ready, 1, 2, and now my sample round. I will be choosing the best performer award. Ready, and hala. One more time. Pataas o bila sa atong birthday boy. And our guest performer goes to, of course, Kuya Nathaniel. Let's give a round of applause. And he will receive a prize later part, Kuya, ha, after the game. Ready? 1, 2, and there's a twist. Reminder, don't follow if I'm going to teach you wrong because you might be out of the game. Ayaw ko sundan ninyo kung sa'yo akong buhaton kayo maawat sa game. Ready? Hala! Bira! 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 Usya! Bira! 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 Siya pa ako gamok siya. Bira! Bira ko pala! Bira! 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 Huwag kang gamin. You're out. Bira! Ang kasawian ko. Take your seat. Bira! 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 May butas ko. Bira! 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 Very good. Okay? The three of you, likod mo kuya. Sorry kayo ha. Ready? 1, 2, and hala! 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 Bira! 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 Thank you so much. We are moving on to the last 4 rounds. Ready? 1, 2, and bira 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 bira. Thank you so much and thank you so much. We are moving on to the last 2 rounds. Ready? Hi there, Kuya. Center ka, Brad. Ano natin kan here? Ano natin? Ready? Kasi makaihit mo ha. Okay, Brad. 1, 2, 3, 1. O si Tita Marie Spikes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and Watch me for the guys. Last chance. Ready? 1, 2, and hala! 1, 2, and ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause. And congratulations to Kuya. What is your name again? Kuya Yuri, and claim your prize at the Cinco Certain Building, 20 Osmeña, Cebu City, and please bring your school ID card. And let's give one more time a round of applause. And our best performer goes to here, Kuya, and get your prize. Okay.